In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DJI Neo drone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily perform a full reset of your DJI drone. To do this and have the factory reset take place, you will primarily use DJI Fly. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it via DJI Fly. If you don't have access to this, then sadly you will have to look into alternative methods. But if you are able to go into DJI Fly, it's as simple as opening it up and in here tapping on these three dots to access these settings. So inside of the settings, all that you have to do is look for the About section. So go to Settings, choose the About category, and inside of About, as you can see here at the top, you will find Reset All Settings at the bottom. And this will work for a variety of products. So the Mavic series, Air series, Flip series, and most importantly, the focus of this video, the Neo series. So it's as simple as accessing the settings, choosing the About section at the top, and inside of About, you will see Reset All Settings at the bottom. By using this button here, you will perform a factory reset on your DJI Neo. And now this should help clear up any sort of temporary problems or glitches that you might be having. Always remember to back up your data before performing a factory reset, so extract anything from your drone's SD card and internal storage to your computer, a laptop, or even your phone, because a factory reset will typically erase all internal data. While it usually doesn't touch the SD card, it's always safer to have a backup in the case of any problems or any corrupted data related to this. And this will revert all of the settings that you have chosen, so be ready to change all of them again as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset DJI Neo drone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.